Welcome to bird watching. You might remember little Jimmy from a previous episode on Dragon Ball Z. And right now we're just watching him. If you're wondering why the blinds on, it's just so the mother bird might not see us easily. So that I'll actually take the bird back. It's been about like 5 minutes and nothing's happened so far. Just bird watching. That black and white thing is the bird, by the way. Just in case you can tell. It's been about 6 minutes, nothing's happened. No, Mother, you cannot watch the Game of Thrones while we're looking at a bird. What are you thinking? Good point. It's been 1.5 minutes. As you can see, it's starting to chirp. It's chirping and moving. We're about like 7 minutes in to bird watching.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
I heard them
Who's going?
voice.
Yeah, it was chirping.
Who's gonna watch this if you put it on YouTube?
People.
Okay.
You got lovers?
Yeah.
Head up.
It's crying for help a lot. I'll give you more updates.